Welcome, we are going to learn Imap Banner Grabber Auxiliary Module in Metasploit. What is Imap? The Internet Message Access Protocol is an application layer internet protocol that allows an email client to access email on a remote email server. The current version, Imap version 4, revision 1, is defined by RFC 3501. An Imap server typically listens on well-known port 143. Imap over SSL is assigned well-known port number 993. Imap supports both online and offline modes of operation. Email clients using Imap generally leave messages on the server until the user explicitly deletes them. This and other characteristics of Imap operation allow multiple clients to manage the same mailbox. Most email clients support Imap in addition to Post Office Protocol to retrieve messages. The Imap version auxiliary module is a relatively simple banner grabber for Imap servers. Let's open up terminal and type nmap anonymous website. It will take few minutes. Here I am forwarding it. Here you can see that 143 TCP services is opened. Type MSF console. Search Imap. Let's load Imap version MSF module into the MSF console. Type use auxiliary /scanner /imap_version. Type info. Here you can see that basic info for Imap_version module. Set remote host address as anonymous IP 136.243.69.14. Execute it. Type run. It grabbed module version and Imap 4 banner. That's it in this video on Imap Banner Grabber Auxiliary Module in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.